Hello, I'm Michal from Fresh4cast, and in this video I will show you how to get the most out of our cloud services. First, the general principles. The services are grouped into modules: market, supply, weather, and so on. A module contains one or more tabs, and each tab contains one type of data. For example, this one shows imports into EU countries and holds about 500,000 records. Once the tab is loaded in your browser, it works offline, so you can use it in airplane mode on your laptop or tablet. Now let's look at the layout. The main part is occupied by charts or tables which present the data. Smart titles summarize the current selection, and tooltips give you more details. You use the option and filter buttons on the right-hand side to determine what you see. Selected options are highlighted in green and selected filters in blue. To filter, move your mouse over the dimension of interest, let's say continent, to see the possible values. Select one value or multiple values, or clear the selection. Sometimes you may want to exclude one value, let's say a very large or atypical component. Just press the Control key on your PC or Command key on a Mac while you click on that value. The filter buttons have a secondary function as well. Click on any filter to split the data across its values. For example, here I split the data by origins, by markets, and so on. In some of the charts, you can click directly on a value to filter the data. And in column charts, you click on any column to select that period. Now let's see a couple of chart types and change some other options. Here's a column chart where blue is the selected period and gray is the previous year. Switch the period type from month to year to get the long-term perspective. Look at value or volume. Click on any filter to change the ranking on the left. Here we see exports from Spain, Poland, and Italy in 2016. Let's zoom into strawberries and rank the markets. Germany, France, and the UK are the top three. But where is the growth coming from? We can rank markets by size or by growth contribution. In this case, Poland is the third largest contributor to growth. Let's look at two more. We use the components chart to see the export calendar of the main sources of blueberry, for example. How does that compare between continents or between markets? And how about the average import price for the UK, the Netherlands, and so on? There are many more types of charts, of course, and we will post a dedicated tutorial for each module. But I want to show you one more general set of features. Use the history arrows to go back to your previous selections. Save your favorite views. Choose whether you want to keep them exactly as they are or if you want them to update automatically every time new data becomes available. And finally, you can combine your saved views into slideshows. These work like classic presentations with the advantage that slides are interactive, so you can change periods, filters, and so on. Automatic updates continue to work within slideshows, so these are presentations that update themselves. I hope this has been useful. If there's any feature you would like to see, please send an email to member@fresh4cast.com. Success!